Hello, it's great to be with you, and I don't think anybody is going to complain, especially about the weather. My name is Derek Ray, and I'm joined for commentary by the former Arsenal and West Ham player Stuart Robson. And we're just minutes away from kick-off in the final game of the season. Stuart, what are you expecting to see?
Well, what a season it's been, Derek. We've seen everything. Drama at both ends of the table, some spectacular goals and plenty of entertainment.
He's got the right idea with that pass, and a really powerful effort. And providing width. Real chance. Tremendous block. Denied once more. Well, you've got to classify that as a poor attempt. Played over. And this might not be the ideal situation for them. And a goal! A significant deflection, and no wonder the goalkeeper is looking up at the sky in disbelief.
Well, let's take another look. If you lose the ball in those areas, you're going to get punished, and that's exactly what happened there.
Promising attack, this. Targets available, cross comes in. I couldn't really direct it where he wanted. Losing possession a bit easily. Well, they might be onto something. And a goal, the equaliser. Superb entertainment.
Well, here's the replay, and he shows great awareness to play this through ball. And the finish is just as good. That's an excellent goal.
That is that for the first half here. High quality defending. The pressure was high, and they could be in here. Well, goodness me, into the goalkeeper's grateful grasp. Harman. And blocked for now. Still pushing for that goal that would see them forge ahead. Well, possibilities in the centre. Oh, he squandered the chance. Oh, great technique, but it wouldn't go in for him. Who can they pick out? Not quite the clearance they were hoping for. And a goal! At this stage of the game, it might be decisive. And just look at their supporters.
Well, here it is again, and when you clear the ball, you have to get height and distance on it to give your defence time to readjust. They don't do that, it's a poor clearance, and suddenly the ball's in the back of the net.
And that will be all for this game. Defeat for the visitors, that's the big story.
Well, Derek, not quite good enough today. Yes, they only lost by 1 goal, but I never felt they were in control of the game. A frustrating day all round for the coach to think about for the next time.